also, in 6th videos also, in standard 7th videos also. Next, find the square root of 1789.29. So same division method, 4, 16, 189, then 82 2s are 164, 25 remaining, then 2529, 843 into 3, 2529. So 42.3 is the answer. Let's move on to next. Next is solve. Solve means we have to, what is given C, we have to add these two, this full expression plus this full expression. Now this is quite tough. So what we do is, we'll divide these two into separate parts. We'll call this A and call this B. Now we'll solve them separately. Let's solve A first. See, A is square root of 10 plus square root of again 25 plus again square root of 108 plus again square root of 154 plus again square root of 225. Now this seems to be tough, but it's not tough. Go on solving from inside and you'll easily get the answer. Square root of 25 is 15. So put 15 over here. So 154 plus 15. Now it's 169. So square root of 169 now, that is 13. So put 13 over here. 108 plus 13, that is 121. Now square root of 121, that is 11. So put 11 over here. So 25 plus 6, now that is 36. So square root of 36, that is 6 over here. So now 10 plus 6 is 16. So square root of 16, that is 4. So answer of A is 4. See here, that's what I said. It looks to be difficult, but it's not difficult. If you know the tables and the squares perfectly, it's very easy. Okay, so A is solved. Now B. Now B is what? Square root of 225 upon 729 minus square root of 25 upon 144, bracket closed, divided by square root of 16 upon 81. Here it's quite means too easy. So square root of 25 is 15, 729 is 27. This squares you remember up to 30. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.